Welcome my dear students to Zenith Tutorials again. In today's video lesson, I'll be teaching you a very nice trick to draw in circle of a regular hexagon perfectly so that your marks are not lost and your time is also not lost. So dear students, what is an in circle? Ideally in circle कैसे बनाते हैं according to your textbook? If suppose you are told to draw a regular hexagon of 5 centimeter and draw an in circle in it. Okay. So how do? You draw a 5 centimeter line. Okay. And since you know in a regular hexagon every interior angle is 120 degree. So ideally आप कैसे करते हो? 60 and 60 120 you draw the line. Again you cut 5 centimeter. Again you draw 60 and 60 120 and draw the line and you complete the hexagon. यहीं पे आधे बच्चों के मार्क्स तो खत्म हो जाते हैं क्योंकि वो परफेक्ट हेक्सागन बना ही नहीं पाते हैं यहाँ पे, राइट. सम other error happens and they are not able to draw regular hexagon and they are frustrated and leave the question. But I will tell you a trick to draw the perfect hexagon, not following this method but very quickly, but showing the examiner that you have drawn this. Okay, I'll tell you. After that, what you are supposed to do, take any two adjacent angles, this angle and this angle, draw the bisector of these angles. Okay, draw the bisector of these angles. Then wherever they meet is the center. From here, drop a perpendicular, and this perpendicular OP is the radius, and then you draw an incircle here. और जब भी आप incircle अंदर बनाते हैं, maximum cases में क्या होता है कि you leave few of the your incircle doesn't touch all the sides. Okay, so I'll tell you how to draw a perfect hexagon and perfect incircle without any error. Suppose you are told to draw a regular hexagon of 5 centimeter. Now you will draw a circle of radius 5 centimeter. आपको ये 5 centimeter बोला है, अंदर का सर्कल नहीं. फिर भी आप एक सर्कल बड़ा बनाएंगे of 5 centimeter. First you will mark the radius. First you will mark the center. Then you will take 5 centimeter. Here I have taken more just to show you. Okay. So I will draw this. अब मैं इसको कहीं पे भी रख के अगर कट्स करूंगी, फॉर एग्जाम्पल लाइक दिस, ओके, सो आई विल मेक इट एट 5 पोजिशन, 1 2 3 4 5 6 पोजिशन एंड विल मेक अ परफेक्ट हेक्सागन. बट मेरा हेक्सागन टिल्टेड हो सकता है, तो यहाँ हम एक और ट्रिक करेंगे. 5.5 सेंटीमीटर आपको यहाँ से नीचे से स्लाइड कराते हुए लेना है, ठीक है. सो फॉर मी आई हैव टेकन सम अदर मेजरमेंट. आई हैव टेकन 8.5 इंचेस. तो मैं यहाँ दोनों पे पॉइंट लगा के आई विल स्लाइड इट इन सच अ वे दैट इट इज स्ट्रेट. ओके, एंड इट इज स्ट्रेट एंड इट बोथ द पॉइंट स्टार्टिंग एंड फाइनल पॉइंट्स आर ऑन द सर्कल. सो माई हेक्सागन इज परफेक्टली स्ट्रेट लाइक दिस इफ आई फॉलो दिस टेक्निक. अदरवाइज ऐसा हो सकता है कि ये जो बेस है वो ऐसा टिल्टेड हो, राइट, एंड माई हेक्सागन इज समथिंग लाइक दिस. ठीक है, not the base is not like this. I am doing this trick so as the examiner knows that आपने proper method follow किया है, but आप actually trick कर रहे हो, उसके लिए आपको ये करना है. तो आपने क्या किया, एक 5 सेंटीमीटर का सर्कल बनाया, सेंटर मार्क किया और 5 सेंटीमीटर की यहाँ से नीचे से लेते हुए लाइन बना दी, राइट. नाउ फ्रॉम दिस पॉइंट्स यू विल कट द आर्क्स ऑफ द from this point you will cut the arcs of the same measurement. Okay, so here you go, keep on cutting. Now when you see here, it will be perfectly lying here on this point. Okay, I'll just give it a check again. And here, this is perfectly matching, right? So now I will join it. Okay, so with this trick you have drawn a perfect hexagon of 5 centimeter side each. After that you will carefully rub the outer circle. So when you are drawing this circle, make sure that you draw it with very light hand so that when you rub it, it doesn't show off. Okay, so now you have got a perfect hexagon. Okay, without any problem, all the sides are perfectly of the measurement that is given. Now, you will have to show the examiner that you have followed the ideal path. So, you will draw 120-degree angles everywhere to show the examiner that you have drawn it perfectly. And to your surprise, it will come exactly the same. Okay. So, when you cut it, it will exactly coming the same. So, every point you will draw this and show to the examiner. Okay. At every side you will draw it. Right now I am not drawing. Our next step would be to take any two adjacent angles and draw the angle bisectors. तो आपने already यहाँ पे 120 तो बना ही रखा है, तो 60 तो है ही आपके पास. Okay. So from these 2 points you will directly join the angle bisectors. So point आपको रब नहीं करना है, right, circle का. So when you are drawing the angle bisectors, you will see that automatically it is coming on that point. Okay, so automatically it is coming on that point and you have got the point which you already know, right? Now from here you will drop a perpendicular to this base. So from here, taking this as a point, you will draw a perpendicular to this base. Okay, change the measurement. Okay, perfect. Now join this with a dotted line. And label it as OP. Now taking OP as the radius and O as the center, draw a circle inside which will touch each side perfectly. Let's have a look. Take O as the center and OP as the radius. When you draw this, it will touch all the sides. It will touch all the sides very perfectly. Okay, it will neither go out nor remain inside and your diagram will be perfect. Okay, so if you follow all the steps, your hexagon will be perfect, your incircle will be perfect, and it will hardly take you 2 minutes to draw this. So please practice drawing circumcircle and incircle of a regular hexagon, because out of these two, any one will come for your exam. So all the best. Watch this video over and over again to practice, and I am sure that you will master it. If you have any other problem, please write in the comment box and please share this video with your friends. All the best for your board exam.